This is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to delete your Pinterest pin. So if you want to delete your Pinterest pin, it was a very easy process, but most of the log didn't find that process. Like if you want to delete any pin, in my case, like if I want to delete this pin, I will click on it, and now you will see that there are 5 options will be given, and I will move my hand to that option of a pencil icon. Now you will see that our editing option will be open. Here I can edit my title, description, but I want to delete this pin, so I will scroll down and click on delete this pin option. Click on again delete. Now you can see that our pin has been deleted. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to delete the Pinterest pin of your Pinterest account. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.